Welcome to WealthWise Media, where lasting wealth begins with better systems. Build systems, build freedom, build legacy. Most people do not have a lack of talent or a lack of time. They have a friction problem. We live in a world that glorifies constant hustle, leaving us with 40 open browser tabs, an overflowing inbox, and a nagging sense of exhaustion before the week even halfway hits. That is not high performance. That is a straight path to mental and physical burnout. True productivity is not about forcing yourself to do more things faster. It is about intentionally designing a low-friction system that protects your energy and sharpens your focus. The first step to fixing this is establishing a minimalist digital environment. A chaotic desktop creates a subtle, continuous cognitive load. Try implementing the desktop zero rule. Move every stray file, icon, and screenshot into a single temporary folder labeled processing. When your visual workspace is clean, your mind stops bouncing between reactive distractions and naturally settles into deep thought. The second step is mastering the balance between deep work and shallow work. High-leverage creation requires long, uninterrupted blocks of time, ideally 90 minutes, with your phone in another room and notifications completely silenced. Administrative tasks, like answering emails or sorting files, should be aggressively batched into a single, separate 30-minute block later in the day. When you stop mixing these two worlds, you double your creative output. Finally, remember that high performance demands intentional recovery. For every 90 minutes of deep screen time, force yourself to step away for 5 minutes to stretch or breathe. True wealth is not just about financial gain. It is about sustaining your health, your clarity, and your peace of mind along the way. If you are ready to stop the chaotic hustle, eliminate digital clutter, and build a modern, high-leverage lifestyle, make sure to subscribe to WealthWise Media. Join our community right now for more beginner-friendly strategies on personal finance, workflow optimization, and building long-term wealth without hitting a wall. Let us build a smarter system together.